Welcome to Talk English 365. Today, I will tell you a beautiful story that will help you listen, learn, and improve your English. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. The story, The Journey of Arjun and the Secret Garden. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was 12 years old. He was curious, kind, and full of dreams. He loved to read books, but his family was poor. They could not afford to buy many books, so Arjun often borrowed them from his school library. Every evening, after finishing his homework, he would sit under the old banyan tree near his house and read. The villagers would often see him there, sitting quietly with a book in his hands, lost in another world. One summer afternoon, when the sun was very hot, Arjun decided to walk to the forest nearby. He wanted to collect some mangoes that grew on the tall trees. As he walked deeper into the forest, he saw a narrow path he had never noticed before. Something inside him whispered, "Follow the path." So he did. The path was long, covered with leaves, and silent except for the sound of birds and the rustling of trees. After a few minutes, Arjun reached a small wooden gate. The gate was old and a little broken, but behind it he saw something magical. A hidden garden full of flowers, butterflies, and a sparkling pond. Arjun's eyes widened in surprise. He slowly pushed open the gate and entered. The air inside the garden felt fresh and peaceful, as if time had stopped. In the center of the garden, there was a stone bench. On the bench lay a book. The book had a golden cover and shining letters on it. It read, "The Secret of Knowledge." Arjun picked up the book and carefully opened it. To his amazement, the pages were blank. He turned one page, then another, but all were empty. Disappointed, he closed the book. Just then, a gentle voice spoke. "Knowledge is not written on paper. It is written in your heart." Arjun looked around. There was no one, but the voice continued. "This garden appears only to those who truly seek wisdom. If you are brave, patient, and kind, you will discover the meaning of this book." Arjun felt a mixture of fear and excitement. He decided to visit the secret garden every day after school. Each time he opened the book, new words appeared. On the first day, a single sentence appeared, "Be honest." On the second day, "Help others." On the third, "Never stop learning." Day by day, the book slowly filled with lessons about life, kindness, and courage. Arjun followed these lessons in his real life. He started helping his classmates with studies. He respected his teachers, cared for animals, and spoke kindly to everyone. Soon, people in the village noticed a change in him. They said, "Arjun is no longer just a boy. He is wise beyond his years." Months passed, and the garden became Arjun's secret friend. He learned that real knowledge is not just about reading books, but about practicing goodness, honesty, and love. One evening, as the sun set, Arjun returned to the garden. The book was now full, every page written with golden words. On the last page, it said, "Now you are ready. Share what you have learned with the world." Arjun smiled. He closed the book, and when he looked up, the garden slowly disappeared into thin air. He stood alone in the forest, but he was not sad. The garden had given him a gift that would stay forever. The gift of wisdom and kindness. From that day forward, Arjun shared his knowledge with children, villagers, and friends. He taught them not only to read and write but also to live with honesty, love, and courage. And so, the boy from the small village grew up to be a great teacher. People remembered him not because of the books he read, but because of the life he lived. Dear friends, this was the story of Arjun and the secret garden. What did we learn today? We learned that true knowledge is not only about reading books, it is about practicing kindness, honesty, and learning from life itself. I hope you enjoyed this story. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep improving your English every day. Thank you for watching Talk English 365. See you in the next video.